Two HR powerhouses, one big showdown. Zenefits versus TriNet. Which one really delivers? On the left, Zenefits, the all-in-one HR platform for SMBs. And on the right, TriNet, a comprehensive PEO with expert services. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
So here's our game plan. We're looking at pricing, user experience, features and integrations, target market, payroll and benefits, and compliance and support. Basically, we're going to hit every spot that matters when choosing your HR software. Let's start with the good and not so good stuff. Pricing. Okay, let's talk Zenefits first. Honestly, I love how upfront they are. You know what you'll pay, starting at $20 a month, and you can even poke around with a free trial. Scalable plans too, if you want to grow. Top tier's $33 a month, which isn't exactly pocket change, but overall, pretty reasonable. Now, TriNet, not so clear. No public pricing. You got to reach out for a custom quote, and usually, let's be real, it's going to be a lot more expensive. But you do get expert HR services bundled in. Still, the mystery pricing, not my fave. Winner here, Zenefits. User experience. So, Zenefits pretty much nails it with their intuitive interface. Trustpilot, 3.9. Android apps, solid with a 4.4 rating, though their iPhone app scores a bit lower. But overall, most folks are happy. Switch over to TriNet. The iPhone app is actually impressive, scoring 4.8. So if you're Team iOS, heads up. But overall user ratings are just kinda meh, and their Android experience definitely lags. Winner, again, Zenefits.
All right, features and integrations next. And oh man, Zenefits comes loaded. Third-party integrations, API access, electronic forms for I-9s and W-4s, expense reimbursement, wage garnishment, check printing. The only real snag? No live customer support, which, might bug you. TriNet is more like classic service. You get check delivery and expert advisory, which is cool, but it's pretty limited for integrations. No API, and just fewer self-service bells and whistles. Winner here, Zenefits. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Zenefits was actually acquired by TriNet back in 2022, so it's now rebranded as TriNet HR Plus. Wild, right? Moving on to target market, and this is where things get interesting. Zenefits is basically made for tech-savvy SMBs, so DIY types who want to get set up fast. But fair warning, you'll get less hands-on support if you run into hiccups. TriNet, though, total opposite. All about businesses craving full-on HR guidance, super hands-on service model. Might even be overkill if your needs are simple. Honestly, I gotta call this one a tie. They're just meant for super different crowds.
Payroll and benefits time. Zenefits.
Automated tax filing, direct deposit, benefits management, and you can set up time off accruals. Pretty solid. But no unlimited payrolls. TriNet can match those automated tax filings, does a great job with comprehensive benefits admin, direct deposit is covered, but again, no unlimited payrolls for you here either. Honestly, another tie. Both bring good stuff to the table. Compliance and support is where TriNet kind of flexes. Zenefits has basic compliance tools and dashboards, but it's DIY and no live support, which, yeah, could be a headache. TriNet, though, brings in certified HR pros, real guidance, dedicated compliance support, super thorough, especially if your business is scaling up, or you just want to sleep at night. Sure, it costs more, but honestly, for compliance, TriNet takes this one. If you line them up on a radar chart, Zenefits edges out with more wins in pricing, features, and user experience. But TriNet dominates where compliance and hands-on support really matter. And hey, for target market and payroll, both bring their A game. So, my honest take, if you want affordable, techie, totally transparent HR software that doesn't trip you up, Zenefits, or TriNet HR Plus as it's called now, is the way to go. But if you need that full-service, expert PEO vibe, and you're cool with paying a bit more, TriNet itself is tough to beat for hands-on help and compliance. Need help choosing the right HR platform? Compare features and find your perfect match